Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I have spoken about the uses of AI and how AI tools can help us to improve our English speaking skills. Right? I have listed 7 different ways in which AI can help us to command or to get command over this language. Right? It will help us in many different ways. Pronunciation, vocabulary, English speaking practice, etc. etc. Okay, there are lots of features which have been added to all these AI tools which you can use to improve on your English communication skills. Now today I have thought of using my favorite AI to make you understand how you can use these apps to start speaking in English. Now this is a very interesting way of having a conversation, right? You don't have somebody, it is just a robot which is talking to you, right? So you are at least talking to somebody. When you're talking in front of the mirror or you are self-talking, there's nobody else, right? So you're not very, when you go outside to have a conversation with people, we get a little intimidated and nervous just because we have never faced somebody, right, in real life situation. Now here the advantage is there is a voice which is chatting or talking to you. So it is really going to help you in becoming confident of speaking in English with someone. So today I'm going to have a conversation with this app and it will help you to understand how you can have conversations with AI tools. Okay, so guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin. It's going to be a very interesting session, guys. Trust me on this. Okay, so I'm going to take this app which is called Perplexity and I'm going to speak to it in English, or rather I'm going to have a conversation with this AI tool in English. Okay, so this is a chat bot and there's a voice mode also. So I'll just switch on the voice mode and I'm going to chat with this AI just to help you to understand how you can have a conversation with AI or chatbots. Okay, are you ready for it? Let's get started. I want to have a conversation in English on any topic. Can you please suggest me a topic which I can have a conversation in English?
Sure thing. How about discussing the future of electric vehicles, including advancements in battery technology and infrastructure? It's a hot topic in tech and automotive circles.
Sure, but I have very limited knowledge about electric vehicles. Can you please give me some more information so that I get to know more about electric vehicles?
Here's a quick overview. EV battery technology is evolving with solid-state batteries, offering higher energy density, faster charging, and improved safety. Also, charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly, especially in regions like India, with tech and policy support. Would you like any specific details or further assistance?
Yes, how is it doing in India?
In India, EV charging infrastructure has grown rapidly. Public chargers increased from 1,800 in 2022 to over 16,000 by 2024. With about 50 million EVs projected by 2030, the target is to build around 1.32 million charging stations. Government policies and tech innovations are driving this green mobility push.
What is the advantage of using EV vehicles?
An EV consists of the battery pack, electric motor, inverter, charger, and thermal management system. It also includes a controller to manage power flow and regenerative braking components.
What is its impact on the environment? Why should we use EV vehicles?
Battery management systems, BMS, monitor and control battery performance, ensuring safety and longevity. They track voltage, current, temperature, and state of charge, preventing overcharging and deep discharge. A BMS optimizes battery health and performance in EVs.
How is the electric vehicle doing in India?
In India, major EV sellers include Tata Motors, Ola Electric, Mahindra Electric, and Hero Electric. You can also check platforms like Decentro for a full list of EV companies. Would you like the direct links or more details on any specific brand?
No, thank you so much. It was great having a discussion with you.
I'm glad it was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to let me know.
Sure.
Great. I'm here whenever you need help. Take care.
Bye-bye. So guys, this is how we can have a conversation with Perplexity. So this was a different topic which I have chosen, or it came up with, but it was also very interesting. Electric vehicles are very interesting. We can get in more details about it also. We can ask a lot of questions about it. Okay, so whatever topic you want to come up with or you want the AI to come up with, you can just prompt. So prompt is something which we need to be very particular about what we want to say. Okay, and when we say that, whether the AI is responding back in the right way or not, that is very important. In between, it made a mess. It didn't understand my question, but I repeated that question and then it came up with the right answer. So it can happen at times, but this was a different topic. You can take general topics about travel, hobbies, days plan, anything else, right? Diwali or any occasion, weather, anything you can take up, simple topics, so that you can just have a conversation in detail about it. This is 5 minutes, guys. You can just take a topic and have a conversation with any AIs which is present in your phone, so that it's easier for you to start having a conversation with people, right? You will get sufficient time to frame your questions and start speaking. I also at times took some time, because this was a new topic for me. I took some time to frame my question and speak. Okay, and when I understood that it is not catching up my question, then I reframed my question. So you can do that as well. So you have enough time to get comfortable with the AI to start speaking or having a conversation with it. Just 2-3 questions you can come up with and you can just chat with it, have a conversation with it. Okay, just to be in practice of having a conversation with a human or a voice, so that you know that you're having a conversation with someone. Okay, it is a very good practice session. You can take up any AI and you can just start speaking on it. So Perplexity is my current favorite, and I've just spoken to Perplexity AI voice mode and I've had a conversation with it. I'll take up some more in coming videos so that it's easier for you to understand, how to prompt or how to start speaking in English or having a conversation on any topic in English with the chatbot. Okay, so I hope this was an insightful session for you to understand AIs more better, and I'm sure you'll definitely give it a try. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.